Okay, I'm looking at the RB again, and I've identified some support down here, okay? And I have this beautiful stair stepping going on, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? And what you're looking for when you have a situation like this is we are below the trend line right now, okay? And we want to get back above the trend line and start bouncing off of the trend line for us to be looking for long signals, okay? So down here we're below it, okay? Then up here we got above it, we came down, we bounced off of it, okay? We closed above it and we kept going up, okay? I don't want to be taking the first bounce off of the trend line, because just like we have forming right here, this is a double top working against us, okay? So I might have broken it by a tick, okay? But I don't want to take the first bounce. I want the second, third, fourth bounce off of a line, okay? So even if I had gotten a signal here, I wouldn't have taken it because this is the first bounce, right? So let's just see what happens here. If we could get a yellow here, this would be beautiful.
Order canceled.
All right, I'm not sure what's going on here.
RB trade alert.
510.
Order submitted.
All right, this is looking like a double bottom here. So this I like after, with all of this stair stepping and a double bottom, if this bar prints, then I like this setup.
RB trade alert.
Target filled.
Okay, so we got our first position filled. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring my stop under the open here because we're working against this double top up here, and I'm not sure if we're going to break through that or not, so I'm going to be a little cautious with this. Alright, looks like we're breaking through it. Let's see if we can get our second target. Nice, okay. Excuse me. All right, plus 72. Nice. We got our second target. Stops at break even. All the risk off.
Stop filled.
Okay. Okay, so 36 plus 72 is 108 times $4.20 is 453. We'll just call it 453. There's a little bit of change on that. Okay. So what did we have? We identified support, right? And we had this beautiful stair stepping, all right? And then what I see a lot of guys struggling with is I want to touch base on this again, okay? Is we were underneath the trend line, okay? Then we got above the trend line, okay? As soon as we came down and we kissed that the first time, I'm not interested in taking it the first time it bounces off of the trend line, okay? I wanted to continue and then look for another bounce off the trend line, okay? So this was my second bounce off the trend line. We got almost a perfect double bottom here, okay? I really can't ask for any more. I got a yellow signal and I took it, okay? Would have been nice if we gotten some more follow through. But hey, this is a nice little trade, $453, and it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm done for the day. Okay, you guys have any questions, send me an email. Keep at it, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.